Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest products to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're taking a look at the Braun TriForce Power Blender, a powerhouse for the kitchen, designed to handle everything from smoothies to soups. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Braun TriForce Power Blender packs a punch with its 1600-watt motor, designed to tackle even the toughest ingredients. If you're into making smoothies, soups, or nut butters, this blender promises to be up for the task. What really stands out is the triangular jug, which is said to speed up blending by improving the flow of ingredients. On top of that, the TriForce comes with 10 manual speeds, 6 food programs, and a whopping 3 texture settings to customize every blend. Whether you prefer a smooth puree or a chunkier blend, this blender can handle it. But it's not just about the power. The TriForce RS offers some unique features like the auto clean function, which makes cleanup a breeze by rinsing the jug with soap and water in seconds. Plus, it has a heated blending function for soups, so you can go from raw ingredients to a hot meal in no time. The stainless steel precision edge blades, made in Solingen, Germany, are designed for ultimate durability and sharpness, ensuring smooth blends every time. In my experience, setting up the TriForce was straightforward. The illuminated touch display is intuitive, easy to read, and simple to wipe down after use, keeping things looking neat in the kitchen. I started with a basic smoothie to test the blender's power and precision. The result? A perfectly smooth blend without any bits or chunks. This blender excels at getting a silky smooth texture. The 1600-watt motor definitely makes a noticeable difference when blending tough ingredients like ice or frozen fruits. For something a bit more complex, I tried making a batch of almond butter. This is where the TriForce really shines, handling the almonds with ease and quickly turning them into a creamy consistency. The precision and power behind the 1600 watts were more than enough for the task. But how does it hold up when it comes to versatility? The 6 food programs are convenient for when you don't want to manually tweak settings, and the 3 texture options let you pick the consistency that suits your recipe. If you're in the mood for something more hands-on, the 10 manual speeds give you complete control over the blend. However, some of the presets, like the smoothie function, didn't always give me the texture I expected, leaving me to adjust the settings manually for the perfect result. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this blender offers tremendous power, smooth results, and versatility with its wide range of settings. It's incredibly easy to use, and the auto clean function is a game changer. You won't find yourself scrubbing for ages after you're done blending. The design is sleek, and the triangular jug really does help speed up the blending process, ensuring quicker results with less effort. On the flip side, there are a couple of things to consider. The blender is on the bulky side, so if you're tight on counter space, this might be a bit of a squeeze. While it's powerful, it can be a bit loud. Nothing out of the ordinary for high-performance blenders. But it's something to keep in mind if noise is a concern. Also, while the heated blending function is an interesting feature, it doesn't quite reach the temperatures I expected for some of my soup recipes, which may be a drawback for those looking for a fully self-sufficient soup maker. When it comes to value for money, the Braun TriForce Power Blender is priced at a premium. But considering the 1600-watt motor, the 10 manual speeds, the 6 food programs, and the auto clean feature, it does offer solid value. Competitors in this price range, like the Vitamix or Blendtec, do offer similar power and versatility, but they often lack the heated blending feature or the easy cleanup functionality, which makes this blender stand out in terms of convenience. If you're someone who blends frequently and values both performance and ease of use, it might be worth the investment. Let's quickly compare it to a few alternatives. The Vitamix 5200 is often seen as a top contender in the high-performance blender market. It's renowned for its blending power, but it lacks the preset functions and auto-clean feature of the TriForce. The Blendtec Total Classic is another direct competitor with similar power, but its design isn't as sleek and it doesn't have the same range of texture settings. What sets the Braun TriForce apart is the unique combination of power, precision, and added features like the heated blending function. When it comes to build quality, the TriForce is solid. The stainless steel precision edge blades are built to last, and the overall construction feels sturdy. While I don't have long-term data to speak to its durability just yet, Braun's reputation for quality is strong. The stainless steel couplings and the 5-year warranty back up the claim of durability, making this a blender that could serve you well for years. Customer service-wise, I didn't have to reach out to Braun directly, but the company has a solid reputation for support. Based on consumer feedback, they're known for responsive service, especially if there are any issues with the warranty or mechanical problems. The Braun TriForce Power Blender offers a lot of performance for its price, and it truly excels in terms of versatility and ease of use. Its unique features, like the heated blending function and auto cleaning function, make it an excellent option for anyone who wants a high-performance blender with some added convenience. That said, if you're looking for something quieter or more compact, there might be better alternatives out there for you. To sum it up, the Braun TriForce Power Blender is a top-tier blender that brings a lot to the table. Literally. It handles tough tasks with ease, and the additional features make it a standout in a crowded market. If you're someone who blends frequently and values convenience, it's hard to go wrong with this one. Thank you for watching today's review. If you have any thoughts or questions about the Braun TriForce Power Blender, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you already own one, we'd love to hear about your experience. Don't forget to check out the link in the comments to grab yours. Until next time, this is Reviewsinside TV, where we bring you honest, straightforward reviews. See you soon!